Hello, financial enthusiasts and budgeting champions. Are you ready to embark on a transformative journey to reinforce disciplined financial habits and master effective budgeting strategies? Over the next 6 minutes, immerse yourself in a powerful session of daily affirmations crafted to guide you towards financial success. As you affirm these powerful statements, envision a future where you effortlessly adhere to disciplined financial habits and implement effective budgeting strategies. The path to financial mastery begins now. Instructions *. 1. Find a quiet space where you can focus on these affirmations without distractions. 2. As you repeat each affirmation, visualize yourself effortlessly embracing disciplined financial habits and implementing effective budgeting strategies. 3. Feel the empowerment and control settling within you, guiding you towards financial success and abundance. 4. Consider jotting down any insights or reflections that arise during this session for further contemplation. 5. If you resonate with our content, we invite you to like, subscribe, and follow Ripples of Affirmations on YouTube. Share this video with those seeking financial discipline and effective budgeting. Until our next session, take care. Affirmations *. I am disciplined in my financial habits, and I effortlessly manage my money with wisdom and precision. Every financial decision I make aligns with my long-term goals, ensuring a prosperous and secure future. Budgeting is my superpower, and I approach it with ease and enthusiasm, creating a path to financial freedom. I release any resistance to disciplined financial habits and embrace the joy of managing my money wisely. I am in control of my finances, and I make informed decisions that lead to lasting wealth and abundance. Budgeting empowers me, and I welcome it as a tool to achieve my financial aspirations. I attract financial discipline effortlessly, making it an integral part of my daily life. My budget reflects my priorities and values, ensuring that my spending aligns with my financial goals. I am grateful for the financial discipline that brings stability, security, and abundance into my life. I release any fear or doubt about budgeting, embracing it as a powerful ally on my journey to financial success. Every dollar I spend is a conscious choice that contributes to my financial well-being and prosperity. I am disciplined in saving, and I effortlessly build a financial cushion for unexpected opportunities and challenges. Budgeting is an act of self-love, and I treat my financial goals with the respect and attention they deserve. I trust in my ability to stick to my budget, and I release any anxiety about financial uncertainties. Discipline and financial freedom go hand in hand, and I cultivate both with grace and determination. I am mindful of my spending, making choices that align with my financial priorities and values. Budgeting is a creative process, and I enjoy finding innovative ways to optimize my financial resources. I am open to learning and growing in my financial journey, adapting my budget to reflect my evolving goals. Financial discipline is a key to unlocking my true wealth, and I embrace it with enthusiasm and commitment. I attract financial opportunities and resources that align with my disciplined and abundant mindset. Every budgeting decision I make is a step towards financial independence and a life of prosperity. I am patient and persistent in my financial journey, knowing that disciplined habits yield lasting rewards. My disciplined financial habits create a foundation of stability and security for myself and my loved ones. Budgeting is a joyful and fulfilling activity, helping me achieve my dreams and aspirations. I attract financial advisors and resources that enhance my understanding of disciplined financial management. Every disciplined financial habit I embrace contributes to the legacy of prosperity I leave for future generations. Conclusion asterisk. If you felt a shift towards financial discipline mastery, carry these affirmations with you. Like, subscribe, and follow Ripples of Affirmations on YouTube for more empowering content. Share this video with those seeking financial discipline and effective budgeting. Until our next empowering session, take care.